the blowout, right? So I think essay. Should have just done this on Halloween, I guess. Good morning. It is currently 7:17 and I have around 45 minutes before I have to leave the house. Today I just wanted to come and try these rollers as I promised. So I am quickly going to dry my hair to like 80% dryness, and then I'm gonna curl them a little, and then I will put these on because that's how I want to try it. So let's see how it goes. Always said that you should leave your hair like 80% dry and like, have like a little bit of still thoda se geele baal, because then it becomes easier to style them. So I am just gonna quickly start drying my hair, and then let's go and put them in rollers, because I think I will leave them on for 30 minutes. I think my hair is like 80% dry now, so I am gonna quickly remove this and add this and just give my hair enough of like a blowout curl, jitna matlab basically जिससे बाल गर्म हो सके, because I didn't want to use that round brush thingy. So let's do my hair and see what happens. मतलब इससे ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत है भी नहीं मेरे हिसाब से, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा पुश चाहिए बालों को। But if it doesn't work out, I can just leave my hair like this and go. I'm also recording another video today, so I woke up really early for this, you guys. I have lightly curled my hair. Now I am going to use these. I got it from Amazon, you guys. So there are like 6 pieces and 6 clips that come. And मुझे नहीं लगता ये, I think 200-300 रुपए से ज़्यादा आए होंगे, even less. I will link it down below. But let's get into the real thing. So it comes in 3 sizes. So this big one, this medium one, and this small one. So this मुझे लगता है ये आगे के बालों के लिए है. तो I think I will start with that. कि like मैं ये 2 pieces लूँ. मेरा आगे ये बाल करना ऐसे, and it's a blowout, right? तो I think ऐसे, like this, and then you roll it back and you clip it, and you see my 5 head, and this, wow, and that's it. And I think now I will just I'll just section it 2 ways. Take this, do the same rolling thingy, and I think that's good enough, because देखो ज़्यादा भी नहीं है तुम्हारे बालों पे प्रेशर, जितना है काफ़ी है। ये कैसे लगता है यार? सबसे तो बड़ी दिक्कत आई थिंक ये क्लिप है, बट हो गया। ये मैंने ऐसे लगाना है। वो दिस इज अ लिटिल वॉबली, लिटिल नहीं, वेरी वॉबली। इसको अभी हम It's very difficult to do this without a shisha and not wearing मेरे चश्मे का दिख नहीं रहा इतना. Wait. क्या इनको और एयर ड्राई की ज़रूरत है? होनी तो नहीं चाहिए. ये इतनी रैंडम वीडियो है ना that I'm doing. I looked at Shah Rukh Khan meme. Please, editor Ahana, attach that clip. Everything is good except this one. Just a second. Oh, I think it will work because ये तो अभी से कर्ल हो रहे हैं, मतलब ब्लो आउट लग रहे हैं. I hope it works भाई. मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है यार, मेरे को फटाफट जाना है. उसे जाना कहीं नहीं, मिनरल्स ही है बट जाना है. अरे what's this? And this is how I look. I'm gonna wait. It's 7:33. I think I will wait till 7:45, 50. I'll pack my things tab tak, and then I'll see you guys, and let's hope it turns out good. So it's been the time I said. It's 7:49. I'm just gonna wait one more minute. But I look funny यार, मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि should have just done this on Halloween. Would have been funny. But I hope this works out because I literally have to leave and, you know, go to Mindle's by 8. Like, I have to leave by 8 and be there by 8:15. By the way, it's like 7:50 a.m. not p.m. That's why I'm just like, but yes, it's 50. Let's go. सबसे पहले I think we'll start with the back. I think I started with this, right? Let's see. I hope it works out because I don't know what I'll do with my hair. I guess. Oh, maybe. मेरे को लग रहा है जो मैंने खोल करा था उसको इसने खोल ही दिया है instead of curling or blow drying or whatever. And I think ये तो आधा निकला ही हुआ है भाई बालों से. I don't know if it worked, you guys. Or maybe it did. Wait. I think maybe it did. I think शायद इसमें और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. Don't mind if I do. Oh, I think it worked. I think this worked. I think it worked. Oh, yeah, this is a blowout. I think curling definitely gives it a kick, but I think this worked. But I think I can do better and more. अगर इसे ज़्यादा टाइम रखेंगे ना तो I think ज़्यादा better होगा. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I will definitely link the product down below. I think you guys can try. If you don't have a Dyson, that's fine. I think a hair dryer and a round brush would work just the same. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. And I will see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.